Namaskar. I hope you are all quite well on the blessings of Almighty God and you are now free from COVID-19. Today is the class of History Standard 6 and today's topic is Janapad and Mahajanapad. জনপদ and মহাজনপদ এই জনপদ শব্দের মধ্যে আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি যে এটা অর্থ কি জন শব্দের অর্থ হচ্ছে লোকজন বা জনসমষ্টি একসাথে অনেকগুলো লোক যেখানে বাস করে তাকে আমরা জনপদ বলি according to Vedic religion areas originally began with semi-nomadic tribal units are called janapads. বৈদিক সাহিত্যে যখন আর্যরা এক কাছে একসাথে বাস করত তাকে আমরা জনপদ বলি এবং তারা একই ছত্রছায়ায় দে ওয়ার রুলড ইন দ্য সেম আমব্রেলা অ্যান্ড সেম গভর্নমেন্ট আইদার অ্যানার্কিস or republic or democratic. There are 16 major janapads during the pre-Buddhist age in northwest India. During the pre-Buddhist age, that is called 16,000 BC, northwest region was divided 16 numerous janapads, 16 Mahajanapads. These Mahajanapads were based on the fertile ground of the green pasture on the bank of the river. They fought against each other and they obtained strength to capture their other territories and their civic states. They are called police state. According to Aristotle, this is called police state. 10,000 total population. But these 16 janapads are very important during 600 BC. These janapads are Kashi, Kosal, Anga, Magad, Bacchi or Brijji, Malla, Chedi, Vatsa or Vatsa, Kuru, Panchal, Mutsya or Mutsya, Mutsya or Mutsya, Sursen, Asmat, Avanti, Gandhar and Kombuja. These major Mahajanapads were anarchists, only Brijji or Bojji are republic or democratic. The anarchists were ruled by the hereditary from generation to generation. On the contrary, the republican Bojji was ruled over a board of council. They are elected a simple majority. Some people were ruled under tribal, such as Lichodi and Sakko dynasty. Sakko tribal. These Mahajanapads were very popular. In course of time, they fought against each other and ultimately they are defeated to extend their territories. Under the strong administration, Magad became the most powerful among the 16 Mahajanapads. There are 6 important cities that is called towns in this period. These cities were Ujjaini, Paliputra, Ajodhya, Kaushambi. Paliputra was the capital city of Magad. It was surrounded by high wall made of wood. The social status was very simple. Society was divided by Brahmin, Kshatriya, Vaishya and Shudra. Brahmin were the top of the class who ruled, who were livelihood by priests, and Kshatriya to protect the country and armies. Vaishya, they were the cultivators, and the Shudra were untouchable. The Shudra served the above mentioned three castes. So the Mahajanpads played a vital role in Indian history, and later life we find that Magadha became the most powerful state during their strong administration in various king Ashok, Bimbisar, Ajatashatru and so many others. Gandhar, Butsu, Kuru Panchal, these are also became familiar, but Magadha was the topmost of all. If you have any problem, you may call me 850 9259880. Namaskar.